Good morning. The time of the conference is sort of perfectly set to these days because in Parashot HaShavua in the Bible, the last two parashot were Bereshit and Noach. We started with the Bible, with reading of the Torah again in a cycle of a year. Next Shabbat will be Parashat Lech Lecha. And in this, the first two parashot, the first two portions, there is a detailed information about longevity, the length of the life of the first generations. It started in around 900 years, even close to 1,000 years, 969 years. That's the oldest registered person. And after 10 generations of keeping it around 900 years, it starts in the next 10 generations to decline from 900 to around 200 years. By the end of the book of Genesis, it will go down to about 110, 150 years. So we follow a detailed description of the subject of this conference, or at least half the subject, the length of life. So that's the first report that we have, set exactly for this conference. But and I think that now scientists and people who deal with this issue really believe that we can start going back to these numbers. So 90 years is almost standard, 100 is very feasible, and we'll get to 150 within, I don't know, my children will live for at least 120 and their children already to 150. But one of the main challenges is the quality of life, not just the length, how many years we live, but how we live these years. And I think that this is a much more challenging issue than just elongating the life. And I think that this should be the center, the focal point of research in this field. Many diseases, we're a machine, and machine has a expiration time. And we have to make sure that within the elongation of the expiration, we should also have the machine working well. And this is the main, I think, challenge that we're facing. And you can see it enhancing research, development, and education for healthy longevity. So it's not just longevity, it's healthy longevity. And this is a multidisciplinary research. It's biology, it's psychology, it's engineering, brain science, almost chemistry, of course. I'm a chemist. Many issues that have to come together to and attack many aspects of the way we live. Also social issues. So almost every single issue or subject or field or discipline that you can think of may be involved, may contribute, even humanities, philosophy, many aspects of research and development may contribute to the wellness of people. Yes, I'm very happy that we can continue with this tradition of having this conference here at Bar-Ilan. I think that the 350 will come a little later. They're stuck in traffic. And I wish you and all the organizers and all the participants of the conference interesting, but more than that, fruitful, productive, with conclusions of a conference. So thank you.